welcome to my new tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to make this kind of pattern in Adobe Illustrator. So for this I'll be using blend tool and pattern options. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before proceeding, I would like to tell you one thing, that I have already made a couple of textures, and so let me show it to you guys. So this is a texture which I have previously made, and for the next for this tutorial I will be making another texture for which I will use a pentagon tool. And I believe that that's gonna be interesting. So for that, let's create a new artboard with size of 500 by 500 pixels. Yep. And let's create a polygon. Yep. Let's increase the stroke by 10 pixels. So let's copy and paste it in its place. So Control C, Control F, and hold Alt and Shift and drag it to center. Now select both, go to Object, Blend, Make. Let's increase its steps. So blend option, go to specified steps and increase its steps by three steps. Yep, that's gonna be fine. Yeah. And again, let's select this. Let's go to Object and expand. Do check that this all three checkboxes are being checked, and hit OK. Now click ungroup and hit Alt button and drag this thing outside. Now I will clear out its outline, and now what will I do? I will create a two object by using Pathfinder tool, or I will create a shape. You can see, yeah. That's right, yeah. Okay, bye. Let's select this and go to Path, Outline, Stroke. Ungroup. That's it. Yeah. Now this thing is ready. Now go to Windows, go to Pathfinder, and now select Divide. Ungroup it, delete this thing. So you will see that a different half hexagon shape has been created. So now let's start experimenting with it. Let's group this and let's press it like this. So this is the first time I'm trying to create a pattern from this polygon tool, and there may be things that I may be incorrect in some ways, so pardon me for that. Yeah, this seems nice. Now let's again rotate this. this seems nice. Now select all. Command G, CF, rotate this thing. I'll place it over here. Okay, this is nice. Okay, so as you can see, our little pattern is ready. I can't believe this has been made. Alright, so let's group it and squeeze it down. So there's one thing that we have to outline these strokes again. Let's just merge it. Merge all these shapes. Make it smaller. Okay, select this, go to object, hit pattern and make pattern. New pattern has been added in search panel. Any changes in the pattern editing mode will be applied on search upon exit, so which is okay with me. So this is the thing which we want to take care. I mean, you can edit it according to your needs. So let's experiment with the tile types. So we can see the grid type is like this. So let's change it to the brick view. No, I don't like it. Let's see the column. No, hexagon is okay. Hex by column and hex by row. Row is very clutter, but column is very nice. It's kind of segregated by itself. Let's mind the gap, please. Mind the gap. 3, yeah, 3 is fine. And I will choose done. Now delete this. So our major steps are done. Now select this thing, go to image, and yeah. So your new pattern is ready. Honestly telling that this is my that's my first thing. I didn't thought कि ऐसा निकलेगा, but this is good. Let's change its color. Color is well changed. Let's see more. Let's try gradient. Okay. Get purple and magenta. Alright, and let's create it in 45 degrees. 45 degrees Celsius. Why I'm saying Celsius? So yeah, your pattern is almost ready, and let's hit done. There is your pattern. One thing you can do is that you can delete its white area. So for that, what you need to do is go back to this shape. You can see this white portion. Select shame, fill color. Now delete it. what this does, it will pick the same object or same shapes which have same color filled in it. So after this, what happened, our background has become transparent. So whatever background I will apply, it will be showed in my artwork. So for example, let's select purple and send to back. Yep, this is looking insanely nice. I didn't expect it to be so good, but yeah, the result is here. So there you go, guys. Here's your pattern. So if you want me to create one more tutorial based on the previous pattern which I just showed you, you can just comment me on my videos and I will do it for you. So till then, do like my channel, subscribe, please subscribe my channel, and bye bye, see you then, bye bye.